Yeah, and Brian, just another quick follow-up from the group here. Ray was trying to follow your breakdown earlier about how much volume, sales volume per month, sort of is your trigger. And so he was asking if that was 15,000 or less per month to kind of trigger the unattended, at least in your experience.
Yeah, I mean, it's not a hard and fast rule, right? I mean, it really depends. In Texas, the minimum wage is still $7 an hour, I believe. Mm-hmm. Not that you can hire somebody for $7 an hour. Right. So you might be able to get away with, going unattended for less gross income there than you could in downtown New York City, where if you're not paying somebody $20 an hour, they're not going to show up. Mm-hmm. But that being said, usually the idea is that if you are around 15,000 or less, you really don't have enough cash flow after you consider the rent and the utilities, and we all know utilities have gone crazy. You just don't have enough left to get out a reasonable rate of return on your investment if you're spending a lot of money on staffing.